from the Upendra Brahma Trust. To receive this award, consecrated in the name of Bodofa Upendra Brahma, the visionary, the father of the Bodos, whose life was a tireless dedication to the upliftment and dignity of the marginalized, is a recognition that touches my heart deeply. Bodofa's philosophy of live and let live resonates deeply with Bhutan's guiding principle of gross national happiness. He understood, as we in Bhutan have learned from our kings, that the true measure of a country's advancement is not by the size of its economy, but the health, happiness, and dignity of every citizen. The award, therefore, celebrates not just a shared principle of compassion, but our shared dream of a kinder and a peaceful world. This award feels personal, for it affirms the mission that I began some 22 years ago with the Tarayana Foundation. It was born from my travels to the far corners of Bhutan. There, in the humble homes and remote villages, I witnessed hardship that broke my heart, yet also resilience that inspired it. From that experience came a simple, unbreakable conviction that everyone should benefit from the opportunities that are available and no one should be left behind. Together with the Royal Government of Bhutan, the Tarayana Foundation has walked side by side with communities, building homes, restoring hope, creating sustainable livelihoods, and helping families rise from poverty with dignity. This Soldier of Humanity Award is not for me alone. It is a tribute to the unwavering and quiet courage of every partner, every volunteer, and every community member who has lent a hand. It is a collective recognition of our sacred shared duty to reach out and to bring those in the shadows into the light. Our shared commitment to humanity is underpinned by the truly special relationship between Bhutan and India, a relationship from the heart, forged over centuries. The bond we share with Assam and Bodoland is a vital and cherished part of this connection. The exchange of high-level visits, such as the visit of His Excellency, the Chief Minister of Assam, during our National Day celebrations in 2024, are moments that remind us that friendship, when nurtured with care, blossoms into trust and meaningful collaboration. In that same spirit of connection, I founded the Mountain Echoes in 2010. It is Bhutan's first literature festival, born as a bridge of words, art, and shared stories between Bhutan and India. It has now blossomed into Bhutan Echoes, and it continues to reaffirm our belief that literature and culture are not luxuries, but they are lifelines of understanding, healing, and unity. Today, Bhutan stands on the threshold of an even brighter chapter. His Majesty the King's visionary Gelifu Mindfulness City, rising gently along our shared border with Bodoland and Assam. The Gelifu Mindfulness City is a living promise, a sacred space where economic vitality meets spiritual harmony, where green innovation thrives alongside timeless values, and where our youth can chase dreams without ever losing their roots. Here, the heritage of the Bodo people and the noble ethos of Bhutan will naturally converge, creating a beacon of sustainable prosperity, shared opportunity, and enduring friendship for the region and the world. This award reminds us with gentle urgency that our work of humanity is far from finished. In a world racing with change, the true soldier of humanity must stand vigilant, guarding the light of empathy, the principle of justice, and the fragile beauty of our common home. Once again, I thank the Upendra Brahma Trust for this recognition. I carry this award back to Bhutan as a cherished symbol of the external friendship and shared purpose between our two countries. Tashidile, thank you and dhanyavad.
I feel very happy today and terribly honored to receive this very prestigious award. And I'm here with, yes, His Excellency, the Governor of Assam, and here we have. I really feel a deep connection with the people of Bodoland, the Bodos, and the Assamese at large. So as I go home now today, I take back all the love that I've received, and I will carry that love back to all the Bhutanese who will love you even more. Thank you.
Ma'am, this both countries are the traditional friend center. Can you say something about the Prime Minister Modi's initiative for the strengthening of this friendliness between the both countries? Can you say?
Yes. I think this is really, a start, because everything starts from people to people, whether it's from Prime Minister to Prime Minister, from our King, basically, who has the highest of love and respect for your people here. And everything starts from people to people. A day like this, a connection like this. So right from the top to all of us here, I think the connection has been made for greater friendship between our two countries and two peoples.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.